My name is Jason Verdun, and I'm coming to you from the Learning Resource Center here at Rowan University. And I am bringing to you today another series of our Learning Creates, but this time we're going to be doing a three-part series with the theme of wonderful winter reading. So our first book that we're going to talk about is Jan Brett's The Mitten. The Mitten is a Ukrainian folktale between a little boy and his grandmother, and his grandmother wanted to knit him a pair of mittens, but he wanted white mittens. But she tried to discourage the white mittens because if he lost them, they'd get lost in the snow. So here at the LRC, you can borrow the mitten kit. So it comes with the actual white mitten and all the animal finger puppets and the book. So now I'm going to show you the activity itself that's going to go with our story, The Mitten. So I'm showing you how you can make your own story stick. So these are all the animals that appear in our story, The Mitten. So this is just a paint stick from a home store. And yes, some Velcro dots and the animal cutouts. The story starts out with the mole. He ends up in the lost mitten. Then we have the rabbit. So then along comes the fox. The big old bear, he ends up in that little white mitten. And then our story concludes with the teeny tiny mouse. Thank you for watching our first installment of Wonderful Winter Reading here at the LRC-South. So attached to this video are activity plans. It has our objectives and materials you need, the standards that it's related to, because everything we do here at the LRC is standard-based. And it has step-by-step directions. So stay tuned for our next installment of Wonderful Winter Reading. We're going to be talking about Polar Bears by Gail Gibbons.